Hello, we're here to do Bird in a Cage, the G section. And don't worry, because we started on the F and it only goes up to M. That's the good news. The bad news is only F and G are doable. The rest seems a little bit, well, it gets crazier and crazier, maybe except for I don't know. Oh well, we'll get there, we always do. So I'll start with the left hand. On first phrase, it's 8 bars. So that's A, E, A, 1 count and then 3. Try to do the first one slightly louder and the second one slightly softer. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G, E, G, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then F, D, F, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then E, E, A, B, D, E, G sharp, B, E, and low octave G, and then A, E, C, which I do arpeggiato. Okay, you can do that all in one go if you can reach. Okay, so I'll just play left. 3, 4, 3, 4. This is my piano. 3, 4. And this is my mezzo piano. Okay, so the right hand is C, E, C, same rhythm, B, E, B, A, D, A, same, up, B, E, B, C, E, C, and C, E, C. It's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, mezzo piano is maybe not that loud, but well, just to mark the difference. The hands together here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, not hard, right? I'll repeat without counting. Again, I'll start with the left. So we got A, E, C, which I will not attempt to do as a 10th because, well, I just don't want to. And it repeats and then straight away C. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, 4. And that's G, D, B, G, D right after. 1, 2, and 3, 4, A. I'm saying the chord rather than the low note. So let me start again. So A, E, C, repeat, and repeat C. B, G, D, and D again. C, A, B, C, E, repeat E, and now G, D, B, G, D, B, and go to D. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. So the left hand has the beginning note of the okay, so that random note is not random. Alright, so that comes from to A. So left hand, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 3, 4. Then it will continue on an octave A. The right hand has the C chord, which is actually just part of the A minor chord. Okay, so C, E, C. chord in H, first beat. And I'll play the right again. No talking now, I hope. So my chords were not great, not always at the same time. But what we have here is an A minor, then a G, then another A minor and G. Okay, let's try joining it. I'll do it slowly. I don't know that part, that's H. Okay, I'll do just this one again. Second phrase of G. And now the whole G section. That's good, but it's something that we can do like with not much effort. Was here just before an F it said 78. I don't know what that translates to in, let's see, here 3, real gentle here. Okay, not too bad. Oh, it's an A. No, it's an A on C. Yeah, but unlike other things that I know I will not be able to play in this part, I can't play. So can you? Probably within the next 5 minutes, just to annoy me. But it's okay, I like being annoyed. Have fun with it, and yeah, prepare for age. It's not going to be nearly as easy, no way. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye bye.